More sectors believe destabilization attempts against the Aquino administration will fail. They also oppose calls for the president to step down. More from George Bandola.
Calls on the president to resign will not prosper just because of the Mama Sapano incident. Philippine Legislators Committee on Population and Development Foundation believes that people should focus on programs that will alleviate the plight of Mindanao than asking the president to step down.
Ang nangyayari po nito, ang pinag-uusapan, peace process sa Mindanao. Ang mga nananaig na boses ay mga nasa Manila, no? Nasa kapital.
Whether the president had a hand in the Oplan exodus or not, Party List Representative Sharon Garin believes that the head of the state has not violated any provisions of the Constitution. In fact, if the president has been made aware of the operation against a known terrorist, he as the commander-in-chief is just implementing a lawful arrest.
Let's just stick to the truth, let's stick to what happened, and let's move forward. And hopefully this thing, whatever is good na makukuha natin sa nangyari dito, that we can improve what is the situation in Mindanao. Now, attacking the president is not the solution.
Garin added that the calls against the president will not help the country in attaining peace and mitigate poverty in Mindanao. As rumors on coup d'etat, Garin believes it will not prosper.
Ayusin natin yung agreement, ayusin natin yung sitwasyon. If we can address the poverty in Mindanao, better. But I don't think the solution is saying bad things about the president, asking him to step down. No, I think we need to move forward and stop blaming anybody. We have to move forward and learn from what happened from the SAF 44.
For People's Television, George Bandola.